Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Lorena Cadawas Miguel. I'm from San Mateo, Isabela, Philippines. I'm 41 years old. I'm happy married, blessed two children, ages 7 years old and 1 year old. My highest educational attainment is college graduate. I'm graduate of Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy. My hobbies are cooking, singing, dancing, and loves to play with my two kids. My work experience are caregiver in Israel for 5 years, sales clerk in United Arab Emirates for 1 year. My duties as a caregiver of elderly patient is taking care to assist in the bathroom, to assist to walking, to assist to give medicine, and to assist to give foods, especially to monitor the vital signs. As a caregiver also for newborn babies, I taking care to feeding, to assist bathing, and also to change diaper. As a caregiver, I know also how to clean the house, marketing, cooking, ironing of the clothes, and washing of the clothes. I want to work in Singapore because I want to earn money. I want to give special needs of my family, and also I want to give best future of my two children. My future employer, please hire me because I'm loyal, trustworthy, honest, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.